Christy, you want to say hi? Oh, it's Katie.
My sister did good.
Hunter.
Excuse me.
What?
Look, it's up on a hill.
We're on our way to see the house.
Dang, what's back there?
Stage one of the lot. Wave to the camera. Wave. Why am I waving? So long as they've been in this house.
Well, look at those cabinets. Those are cool cabinets.
Why put in the cabinets?
I know.
There's your bar. What about the color?
I like it.
I like it. Looks good. What the heck is that? What the heck is that? Is that our door? Oh yeah, your mom must have picked that up somewhere. It's a cool symbol. What does it mean? To put it on the pantry. Hey. Where'd you get this door?
I found that at a estate sale in Moore Park. Some old ladies were having a sale and thought it would be cool to redo it for the pantry door.
Are you gonna keep that symbol?
No, we'll paint over it.
Looks pretty cool.
Yeah, I like it. Billy, where's Dad going?
What are you talking about?
He's in the car. He's leaving.
I'll see what he's doing. Where are you guys going?
The builder called. He said we need to go over to the house to make sure everything's all right.
Is it alright I come?
Yeah, get in.
Alright.
I'm gonna go look at my room. You guys go look at yours.
Yeah, I'm gonna check out my room.
Okay, I'll go check out mine.
Bree. You find anything? Bree. Briara. Bree, what the frick are you? Dad! Dad? Dad? What the frick is going on? Bree? Is that you? Where? Oh my god.